flowers jumble and the raindrops tumble all around. Heaven opens a magic lane. When all the clouds darken up the skyway, there's a rainbow highway to be found. Reading from your window pane to a place behind the sun, just a step beyond the highway. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. And the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney tops.